everyone, and welcome to the virtual learning for Boys and Girls Club of St. Lucie County. My name is Elisa, and today we're going to do a really cool science project. Have you ever done a volcano before? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to teach you on how to do a volcano at home, which you can do it inside or outside. Some of the items that you may need is a bowl if you're doing it inside. You need a cup. A tall cup just like this would work perfectly. A plastic spoon, your favorite color for food coloring, some water, baking soda, and some vinegar. So what you have to do is, if you're doing this inside, here's a cup, you just put it right inside of the bowl. First, you have to put your water in as kind of like the foundation. Now, this is where you can be creative. This volcano is going to be color changing. So if you just put one color in, that's fine, but you can continuously do it and change colors. So my favorite color is pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pink food coloring in the water. And you can put as many drops as you like. Go ahead and swirl it around until my water turns the color that I want. So in this case, kind of like a purplish color. Then you add some baking soda. Now this project is what is really cool about it is that you don't need a certain amount of either baking soda or vinegar. So I'm gonna put some baking soda in here. Swish that around a little bit. Now this is what the really cool part is adding the vinegar. The vinegar is going to act as the activator. Once it hits the water with the baking soda, it's going to start to fizzle up. And you can put as much as vinegar as you want until you see it fizzling up like a volcano. How cool is that? Now the project doesn't end here. You can continuously do this. So for example, I'm going to change my lava to blue. Add the desired amount of food coloring. Again, you would have to put some baking soda in it. Now it is fizzling already because there is some vinegar in there. So once you put the vinegar, your volcano changes to blue. How cool is that? Now remember, you can do this outside or inside. I chose to do it inside and I put a bowl, that way I don't make a mess. So let's change this color. Let's change our volcano to orange. Put some food coloring in. Some baking soda. And as you can see, it's already fizzling up. Now this time I'm not going to add some vinegar because it's already fizzling. So I'm going to wait for it to go down a little bit. And now let's add some yellow food coloring to make our volcano yellow. Now you can swish it around. Add some baking soda. How cool is this? You can make a volcano right from home. Add some vinegar, and there you go. Now your volcano is yellow. And you can continuously do this as much as you want. And I chose different colors to add in. Now how cool was this volcano that changes color? So make sure that you do ask permission from your parent or guardian and ask them for their help. Also, we encourage you guys to send us pictures because we want to see how your colorful volcano turned out. So tune in next time for cool science projects here at the Boys and Girls Club St. Lucie County Virtual Club.